right, good morning. The time is 6:19 on our Tuesday morning, and I want to start off our forecast with a look at Tropical Storm Bertha, because there have been some changes with the 4 o'clock advisory regarding the track. Let's at least take a look at where it is right now. Still in the northern Gulf. On the northern side of that system, there is no convection. And then on the southern side of that system, there is a lot of convection. So it is a lopsided storm, basically just saying that it's not really organized. So it doesn't look like it's going to strengthen into a hurricane. At the moment, it has winds of 50 miles per hour. It's going to maintain that strength over the next day or two, and then it's going to make landfall in Louisiana. From there, with that land interaction coupled with some wind shear on the northern side of that system, this is going to dissipate into a tropical depression by the time we look towards Thursday into Friday, as it tries to make its way over towards the Houston, Beaumont area. The biggest change with this track from the National Hurricane Center is now taking Corpus Christi, South Texas, and most of the coastal bend out of that track. So we are gaining confidence that we are not going to see direct impacts from this system. And a lot of our latest tropical models showing this moving around the Houston, Beaumont area, or even staying over southern Louisiana and continuing to move inland. There are a couple of outlier models, but for the most part, we are looking at relatively okay conditions. I don't think that this is going to be a huge concern for South Texas or the coastal bend. Now, on the southern side of that system, they are going to be dealing with a lot of rainfall, but most of that rain stays out into the Gulf. The northern Gulf, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall with some locally higher amounts. So flooding is going to be a concern there. Here locally, we may get a couple of showers on Thursday or even Friday as some of that moisture moves into our area, but not the actual storm. So it's just going to be a couple of showers for Thursday, Friday, which could lead to about a ½ inch to an inch of precipitation with maybe some locally higher amounts. So some things you need to know: it is going to interact with land in Louisiana as well as wind shear. So it is forecast to decrease, maybe even dissipate, and really not have a huge impact to us. There is a small chance that the system, the center of the low, could stay just south of land, keeping the water interaction, which may try to strengthen it. But at the moment, we're not seeing a lot of signals that that would happen. But it is a very fine cutoff between hugging land and staying out into the Gulf. Otherwise, over the next 3 days, we're talking big time heat. 99 degrees today. That's 1 degree shy of the record of 100 degrees. We will tie the record of 100 degrees tomorrow, and then we're dropping down to about 98 degrees on Thursday as some of that moisture moves in. We're under this big ridge of high pressure, and this is going to continue all week long. So we're looking at sunny conditions over the next several days, minus Thursday and Friday, as that moisture moves in, and hot conditions. Temperatures today inland into the triple digits, exceeding 100 degrees, anywhere from 102 to 105. Tomorrow, a lot of us inland reach 100 degrees or higher. Again, dropping down into the middle and upper 90s, but still plenty of triple digits for Thursday, Friday, and this weekend, with this weekend showing lots of sunshine.